I'm Roger, founder of Jam Coding. We work in primary schools to deliver digital literacy and computing skills. We run workshops that include building and coding robots, constructing websites, special effects, building and coding your own computer, stop motion animation, Minecraft challenges, and much, much more. All of these sessions are designed to teach coding, programming, and digital literacy in a way that kids love. The story behind Jam Coding started in 2014. I just finished teaching and set up my own company. O2 came to me and asked me to write a coding and eSafety workshop. We co-delivered that for a year. The workshops were really popular and I felt that I should carry on delivering them. I could see that they were delivering life skills to young people as well as helping them to keep safe online. Fast forward to today, Jam Coding works with about 1,200 kids a week. We work in up to 40 primary schools a week.
Jam Coding have been working in St Joseph's since September, both in an after-school club facility and curriculum time as well, where they take class and deliver the computing curriculum with them once a week.
I enjoy Jam Coding because you get to express yourself in a different way. You get to express yourself online and doing different things with code, and it's a lot of fun.
There was an overwhelming excitement about the after school club, which was very quickly filled up. The places were filled up. It's a very, very popular club. Children love it, and also the children are really enjoying the computing curriculum that they're receiving through Jam Coding.
So currently in primary schools we see huge disparities in the level of computing and coding curriculums that are being taught. We go in and through the way that our business model is structured, we can help to raise the standards of digital education in the schools that we work in.
I'm Gareth Corns, head teacher here at Exeter Primrose Hill Primary School. I recruited Jam Coding to come into school and support our ICT provision. Jam Coding offer a wide range of clubs, be it Minecraft, computer programming, computer coding. What's better is they bring all the equipment with them. So at a point for a school that's just starting out, not having the technology does not have to be a limiting factor.
The skills that the children need now and for the future are absolutely vital because of the age that we're living in, and unfortunately teachers often aren't as advanced in their computing skills as children can or are.
The staff that Jam Coding send into school are not salespeople, they are qualified teachers who understand the steps of progress that children need to become proficient. They offer sessions on Minecraft, coding, programming, and many, many more. The children are so excited by the sessions and their learning has progressed enormously. We're now working very closely with Jam Coding to purchase more equipment for school and to develop the children's learning further. That's including augmented reality and indeed virtual reality.
It's really good and fun to learn it at this age, and at the end you'll be proud of yourself that you've done it.
Having Jam Coding deliver the curriculum, number one, it makes sure that someone very skilled is passing on those skills to the children very, very well, and it also takes pressure off our staff.
The response we've had has been brilliant. A lot of the children who have been usually come to most clubs. We also get a lot of new children wanting to come. Quite often we've had to run certain clubs more than once just because the uptake's been so high, and the children really, really enjoy it. It gives them the chance to maybe use equipment that as a school we don't have. They get to spend a bit more time actually learning how to do certain specific skills such as like programming or actually creating sort of an animation.
So if you haven't got the products in school, don't let that stop you. Jam Coding can support you with the technology whilst you set up the infrastructure needed to take the learning in school further forward. As a school, we're excited to continue to work with Jam Coding, and our pupils are becoming increasingly more proficient and are indeed ahead of many of their peers. That has enabled us to achieve a goal already, and we're looking forward to pushing on further to ensure that they're ready for the world of work and going into jobs that have not yet been created.
I'm Becky Jackson. I'm the Area Manager for Jam Coding for the North West of Lancashire. I'm really passionate about developing children's motivation for wanting to learn, and working with Jam Coding means that I'm able to go into primary schools and work with children on digital skills and computing lessons. Through Jam Coding, we do a variety of extracurricular and curricular work. We run inspiring, fun, educational after-school workshops where we're developing children's computational thinking as well as their skills for life.
In the UK, there are 11.9 million people who do not have the skills and knowledge to survive digitally. Further to that, over 40% of digital employment opportunities are outsourced outside of the UK. This is due to a lack of suitably qualified employees. We also know that only 15% of digital jobs are taken up by females. In our workshops, we have an even number of male and female participants. We believe this is because we are working with young people at the right age to inspire them to pursue a future in digital. We are striving to address the balance in all of these areas.
I think it's important because in the future the world's going to be based around coding and technology, so it's best if we started out at a young age and not later on in life.
It's like really tricky and you need to be patient, and at my age you need to learn to be patient. Also learn your way around a computer. So doing jam coding and coding all our robots was really hard, really tricky, but at the end we knew how to code a Raspberry Pi.
Jam Coding are passionate about making sure we can work with as many people as possible. As such, we are setting up a community interest company. The CIC will really help us to access funding to utilise our knowledge and resources to bridge the digital divide.
We understand the importance of motivation in encouraging independent learning. There's a real balance between us teaching and facilitating children's learning. Jam Coding runs a variety of after-school clubs across a range of primary schools. These are inclusive and differentiated, and they attract a diverse range of children. We're able to be engaging and educational while developing life skills, which will be really important in the real world. Children have fun whilst developing their computing skills.